foreigner in the Philippines, we hear some news that it's gonna be I think Bohol will be having a typhoon either tomorrow it will hit or Sunday. So far, it's a little bit. Yeah, I'm doing video. Yeah, so far it's a little bit cloudy. Although this morning it's been cloudy, dark clouds. But now it's a little bit melting the clouds, so it's not really dark. But the wind is starting to get stronger. Yeah, so that's our life for right now. We got dogs over there with transfer because things is been working. No water right there. Your water is finished. Yeah, so we got milk and rice for them with some meat. Yeah, so Terren's over there with James. They have been doing some of the materials because Terren just get some materials what we can, what we can afford. Won some plywood yesterday, so right now that's what we can do. So here it's been Tiger's Day. I see the kids running around, and then when I go out, they're gone. Where are they? They're having hide and seek. Hide and seek. Over there. There's Rohan there. So they're playing hide and seek. That's the advantage of no gadget. Once in a while, we need to enjoy playing without gadget. So that's an update. You can see some noise now, but we're hoping and praying that it's not really it will just melt on the ocean, and not gonna hit here or in other places that low pressure, the typhoon. Have a good day and God bless. Bye.